It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. Power went out again last night. I was like, no. So luckily it is back on and I am able to do videos again, but I was getting a little nervous there about that storm coming in, but we are all good. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have so much to talk about today. So, candle sale at Bath and Body Works. We got to talk about getting these Halloween candles for $14.95. That is huge. I also wanted to go, oh my goodness, I cannot believe I am 4 subscribers away from 40,000. I am shocked that an over 50 girl geek mom was able to create a channel it got up to 40,000. It's amazing. And I have all of you to thank. I want to do like a bigger 40,000 celebration video, like probably in August, only because everything's so crazy right now. But you have been there with me for like a long time. I know a lot of you have been here from the beginning. I was thinking back, remember 2019? A lot of you remember. Remember I had stage 0 breast cancer. I had a unilateral mastectomy. I was coming on. I was looking all awful right after my surgery. So many of you were there for me for that. We all went through the pandemic together. What a wild ride. We did the Christmas card exchanges. We had Scooby-Doo Mysteries. We had Kenny Rogers. We had so much fun stuff. Last year when my husband was diagnosed with multiple myeloma, I mean, it has been a wild, wild ride, and it has been one of the most fun rides of my life. I love doing this every day. I feel like my channel is evolving even more. I'm working with more companies. I'm working with Lenny. We actually, if you saw, like in the last couple days, he started his own channel for his Ecclesia Arts, which I am now working on. There's just so much fun stuff going on right now. And then, of course, like Halloween and Christmas are coming and fall. That's so amazing. So I cannot wait to see what happens next. I do want to do more of those cooking segments. That's kind of fun. I'm not doing the cooking. You know me, I make sandwiches. But actually, my mom is excellent in making cookies. My mom's a baker. Lenny's good at like the actual food. He's got some really good ideas. So I don't know. We'll see what we can do, getting more guest stars on my channel, but I'm having a lot of fun, and I just wanted to thank everyone so much for helping me get to 40,000. I don't know, can I get to 50? I don't even know. I hope I can, but this has been such a fun ride, so thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, bigger celebration coming later. I need Lenny to make me food to have the big celebration. That's what I need food. So, oh, you know what else I got? I went to Walgreens this morning, and guess what they had out? Halloween candy! I'm so excited. I got my, where's my iced tea? I don't know what I did with my iced tea. I gotta get myself another iced tea. I think I drank it all. Got my big bag candy corn, which you know I love my candy corn. So, I got my candy corn. Oh, and my books! Oh my gosh, you guys, thank you so much. I gotta do my fall book. I can't even believe I did these this year too. These are the Scent Journal books. That was wonderful. Thank you so much in supporting me on this venture too. Oh my gosh, so much to be thankful for. So, I'm also thankful the Bath and Body Works is doing $14.95 today on these Halloween candles because, oh my goodness, I'm gonna put a screenshot up actually. So, the snake, the ghost, and the skeletons. We got to talk about these candles because today is the day you're going to want to get these. Seriously. By the way, I did get my order in last night. Yay! I'm so excited. I got my order in for the body care. I got all of the fall stuff I didn't have. I like kind of backfilled everything. I got so many reviews to do, you guys. So much. I think next week's going to be a little calmer. My daughter's been, in a play. I've been doing up and running on this new other project, not Lenny, this other project. I got a lot going on, but it's all good. So I think next week I just want to dive into fall, because that's what I know everyone wants to hear about, including leaves. Now, I'm getting off track here about these candles. You know, that's what I'm doing today here. So, the candle sale, oh my gosh, get these today. So, the first one is going to be the Moonlit Grave. This is a great deal because these are normally $39.95. Moonlit Grave, I love this one. This is actually one of my favorite designs. This is really, really pretty. I mean, gorgeous pretty. I love this. It's got the shiny, it's kind of like a glossy finish. I just love this one. And then the really spooky lid. The scent notes on this one are tombstone moss, cold foggy air, eerie incense. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's like an outdoorsy scent. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I really like it. Then we have the Everlasting Magic, which I really love. This is the crown candle with the glass lid. This one is Bejeweled Berries, Phantom Petals, and Enchanted Musk. I love this body care. I love the candle. I love the berries. I love the glass lid. I'm going to get another one of these because I want a second one in my collection. And then, of course, the snake one, which is the Midnight Spell. There's like an apparition on the front. You get the snake lid. These lids are kind of funky. They don't stay on very good. They're just weird. I actually like Moonlit Grave a lot better than Midnight Spell. I don't like Midnight Spell as much in the candle, but I like it in the body care, which is odd. This is the Mystic Air, Moonlit Woods, and Crystal Amber. I don't know. It just doesn't really do it for me in the candle. You get the black wax in there. So definitely consider getting those today because that's the best price. I don't know how long the sale goes on. That's what I was trying to figure out. Is this a one-day sale or is this a multiple-day sale? That was the one thing I didn't look. Okay. Let me see on my email here. It looks like 3-wick candles. The sale's going on all weekend, so yay, that's actually good. So you can get these, you know, if you don't want to get them today, you can get them later in the weekend, which is exciting. I'll probably run into the store because I don't want to pay shipping, so I might do that. Don't forget about all of the fall candles too. However, this isn't the best deal on like the 20, I think these are 25. The $25 candles. You're better off waiting maybe for maybe a little better sale. The smoked caramel mezcal, I got that on the way. Sweet whiskey, I didn't like. I had that one last year. Prickly pear sangria, spiced blackberry cider. I'm excited about that one, although I'm noticing it only gets 2 stars. What's going on? Oh, these are getting bad reviews. What's going on with that? I don't know. I love my coffee one. This is the freshly brewed coffee. I'm going to hold off on this one, though, until we get a lower price point. And then, of course, we have the Halloween candles, which, what is on, oh, it's a skull on the top. I'm like, what is that? I only have one. I only have Vampire Blood. I'm waiting on another order with the rest of my stuff from Bath & Body Works. So, pumpkin carving, which is actually, pumpkin carving, believe it or not, is the same style, like label, it's a wraparound as the Midnight or the Moonlit Grave, whereas Ghoulfriend and Vampire Blood are like a matching set. One has a skull and one has a rose. And Ghoulfriend this year is purple, which is absolutely beautiful. So, lots of candles to choose from. I mean, all of the fall candles. I don't know. Part of me thinks that like focus on the ones that are more expensive. By the way, why are Endless Sea and the Wild Sands $29.95 normally? I'm like, what's going on with that? I'd buy those today if you want them. So, again, it's just, how bad do you want candles today? I would, like I said, really focus on Halloween, especially the fancy lidded ones, and then, maybe wait for another candle sale. But I know people are going to be buying today because they're excited. Everyone wants the new stuff. So what else is going on today? Why isn't my mouse working? I don't think we got anything else going on. Although I have a ton of app rewards. I gotta say, hand soap is $3.95 today. Oh, and buy 3, get 3 on body care. Actually, that's not bad. So if you wanted to layer in some of the other stuff, I'd get the soap. Get the candles and the soap. You'll have a matching set. Oh my gosh. I have got so much of the Halloween soap down here. I'm using this already. I am like full on using Halloween soap already. I might do a video later about the Halloween soap, well, for the $3.95 sale, because I am digging these. Look at these labels. These are so pretty. So anyway, oh my goodness, lots going on. Thank you. I keep refreshing my screen to see if I hit 40. I want to do a screenshot that I hit 40,000. I don't know. It just feels like a momentous thing for me. I'm at 39996. I need 4 more subscribers. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. You guys are amazing. I got more. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.